Dear all, welcome back to Malayalam class. I hope all letters you learned discussed in the last classes. Some more new letters are going to learn today. This unit has 5 letters. This group is also made based on their shapes. It has 4 vowels, its corresponding signs and a consonant letter. We know there are 15 vowels in the language. In that, 5 letters have short, long distinction. We will learn 2 in this class. In the production of vowel sounds, tongue and lips have an important role by their action of modifying the air passage. The air stream from lungs goes out without any obstruction of its pronunciation. The letters are U, U, E, E, Ja. Let's pronounce once more. U, U, E, E, Ja. Let us see the very first letter. It is a vowel. Swaram is the Malayalam word for vowel. The first U is a short sound. To write U with a small circle, let's start. Following the circle, make a little bigger semicircle. From the end point of semicircle, make a curve towards down like this and end up with a sleeping line. Now you got the letter U. This is the 5th letter of the vowel set. While producing this letter, the back of the tongue is raised towards the soft palate without making any contact or friction. Shape of lips will be rounded. To write this letter, place your pen on its 3rd line of 4-lined sheets. Come to the next one. This letter is the longer counterpart of the short U. The lips and tongue positions are same as short U, but it has longer duration for pronunciation. Writing is same as the letter U. Additionally, here is a symbol. This sign shows that this letter is longer in its form. Here, the glyph is a part of the letter. So, the stroke numbers continues up to 9. The symbol should not go up or down of the base letter. It has to be the same level. Now, the next letter. This letter is E. It is the 3rd letter of Malayalam vowel. It is a short one. During the production of the sound, the lips are spread. The front part of the tongue moves towards the front palate and no air comes through the nasal passage. To write E, follow the same hand movement of U. The only addition here is stroke number 4 in its form. Let us move to the next one. This letter is E. It is the longer counterpart of short E. The lip and tongue positions are same as E, but this letter also having long duration in its pronunciation like previous letter U. Writing is also the same as E, but here is also a symbol. The sign shows that this letter is longer in its form like long U. Here, the glyph is also part of the letter. So, the stroke numbers continues up to 9 like earlier. The symbol should not go up or down of the base letter. This is also has to be at the same level of the base letter. Now the next one. This is the 8th consonant letter of Malayalam Aksharamala. While producing this sound, the air coming from the lungs is first stopped by making contact with the tongue blades against the hard palate. Contact released, the tongue is moved down slowly. So, a narrow passage is made. Through the passage, air escapes with friction. For write this letter, write the letter E as it is first. Then continue stroke number 5 as a curved line and finish with a sleeping line as stroke number 6. From 6 to 7 there is a small circle. This is the letter Ja. Now we learned all letters in this group. Let us pronounce all letters once. U, U, I, E and Ja. The language followed an alpha-syllabary writing system. It is a segmental writing method of consonant-vowel sequences written as a unit. Based on consonant letter, vowel notations comes as secondary symbol. We have discussed earlier Malayalam consonants formed with an inherent vowel A. For your better knowledge, here we have to understand an inherent nature of a consonant. When we add secondary symbols with any consonant, an elision takes place. Its inherent vowel is omitted and form a pure consonant letter. With this pure consonant letter, the secondary symbols are added. It is a hidden or existing rollover Malayalam consonant. For example, R plus E, it will become Ri. The writing method followed the grapheme for both consonant and vowel segments based on its demands. Some symbols contains one or two notations. It may come before, after or both sides of the consonant based on its nature. We should use these symbols to make consonant vowel combinations. Before the orthography reformation 1971, each consonant glyph had a unique way of combining with the vowel signs, often resulting in irregular ligatures. In the reformed script, these irregularities were simplified, ensuring that vowel and consonant signs remained distinct and did not fuse with the base consonant. Currently, both methods are common in use. Let us see the secondary symbols of the letters. Here, U is the first letter. Secondary symbol of this letter is this. Hand movement is also same up to down. Start from up and stop here. This symbol has to come after the letter. Now, read it. T plus U, Tu. We studied 11 consonant letters till now. Add secondary symbol of U with these all letters. R plus U, Ru. R plus U, Ru. T plus U, Tu. N plus U, Nu. V plus U, Vu. P plus U, Pu. B plus U, Bhu. G plus U, Ghu. Sh plus U, Shu. H plus U, Hu. J plus U, Ju. Let's go to next secondary symbol of long U. Hand movement is same, up to down. Start from up and stop here. This symbol has one more round loop to represent long tu. It is also come after the letter. Read it. It is tu. Long sound. Like earlier, add this symbol along with the all letters which we learned earlier. Read it. It is R plus O, Ru. R plus O, Ru. T plus O, Tu. N plus O, Nu. V plus O, Vu. P plus U, Pu. Bh plus U, Bhu. Gh plus U, Ghu. Sh plus U, Shu. H plus U, Hu. J plus U, Ju. Now the symbol of E. This is the secondary symbol of E. Like the previous symbols, this also start from up and stop here. Symbol add after the letter like earlier. Now add this E symbol along with some of the letters. R plus E, Ri. R plus E, Ri. N plus E, Ni. V plus V, Vi. P plus E, Pi. P plus E, Bhi. Gh plus E, Ghi. Sh plus E, Shi. H plus E, Hi. J plus E, Ji. Let's move to the last one. It is E, the longer counterpart of short E. Like the previous symbols, this also start from up and stop down. Add symbol after the letter like earlier. Let's add this long E secondary symbol along with the consonant letters. R plus E, Ri. R plus E, Ri. T plus E, Ti. N plus E, Ni. V plus E, Vi. P plus E, Pi. P plus E, Phi. Gh plus E, Khi. Sh plus E, Shi. H plus E, Hi. J plus E, Ji. Practice this way all the letters. That's all today. Thank you.